position.
10 steps behind Caesar's ass.
So
That way, if he
we're just
stops,
trying to get to that flag, right?
what we're doing is we're going to secure the right side, and as soon as we get it secured, then we're going to move towards the flag. There's actually a crew right behind you that's specifically going after the tower, which is directly behind the flag. Get ready, get ready. 4, 3. Hey, listen up.
Sounds like freaking.
Go, 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 go. Oh, sorry. No tangos yet. There's one on the left. One on the left. Secure the bridge. Secure the bridge. Get behind the pole, guys. Stop stacking behind each other. Be advised, we have the tower. Hey Steve, if you and your guys want to move up to the tower, go ahead. It's clear. You can go right here to where the admin is. Watch your right. All units be advised, we are pushing on the right side past the bridge. Pushing on the left side or right side past the bridge. We're going to secure the right side. Do they have the flag and do we have the flag? Watch it, you got one tango in the wood pile off to your right. And that oil tank, right there. At least one. Tuck in more to those boxes, your left side's open. Might need some help over here. I'm alone at the end of the bridge, and I've got at least 2 tangos at my 10 and at my 12 o'clock. Do we have the flag? All right, then hold your position. We have the flag. Just hold your position where you're at. Hey, 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 how's it look that way? Behind that vehicle? Yeah. Hey, Taylor, honor check them. I've been hitting them. Honor check those 2 guys up there. I've been hitting one of them. They're up there. See where that weird looking, not the wood pile, you got that vehicle there and that thing, whatever it is behind it?
Yeah.
I've been hitting a guy back there.
Hey.
When you get a chance. You need my pistol?
No, I got it.
All right. Because you can hear him shooting. Guys, just hold your positions. We've got the flag.
Okay.
You going across again, man? Or try to?
I'll see.
Because I can lay suppression down, draw their attention. Let me draw their attention, and you running behind me. Go, 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 go. Ready to run across? Go, go. How's it going in here?
We've been covering. They got a lot moving right to left towards the
Good.
helicopter.
They're just waiting for him. You all right, Daniel?
Yep. We have one of our guys moving towards the tower already.
We already have the tower.
Cool. Tired. Found out I'm shooting 335s. I'm gonna try and get down there. I might be missing a mud. So it shoots out and then drops.
You want to borrow this? Jerry's weapon just went down.
Shit.
Anything up that way? Is there anything up that way?
Nothing I can see at a glance.
Behind you. What do you got? What do you got?
I got one tango down.
Now friendly up top.
All right, I'll cover you down here.
Hey, right here by this fuel tank.
Right or left side?
Right side of the fuel tank. He's by the tire. He keeps by.
Got him, got him.
Behind the water tank, to the right. Don't mind me, I'm just being fucking artillery.
Oh, Frank, get in the fucking building.
I'm in.
Piece of cover right in front of you. I think I got him. I don't think so.
Jerry,
Yeah.
come again. Get out of the way.
All right, so follow me out the door.
Get out of the way.
Back.
Watch left side, watch left side. They just ran that way.
There's a guy next to the ambulance. Get to the other side of the building. I got one moving. Moving.
Hey, is there already 2 people in the town?
Let
Yeah.
me put it this way. It's full.
Alright.
And I wouldn't stand there.
Whoa, watch out, watch out. Hey, you go southpaw on
Where's
that?
that shooting coming from?
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Down.
He's down?
No, he's not.
Nah, he's on the other side of that hill. What do you got?
Got him.
You got him?
You can get up. Hey, come here. Kid, come here. Keep your hand up. Come here. Back up, back up.
Three, if you look just to the right of the helicopter, there's 3 wire wheels on their sides. There's a guy behind them. Cool.
The kid kept hitting the wood right here. Tower is absolutely secured. We've got troops behind it, holding it. Watch that side. What do we have in front of us? Connor, get your head down. Go to the corner of that sand pile. Sandbags. Got a tango right here. Got him. Got him.
Good fucking job, dude.
Got one behind the oil tank. Sorry. Really? I don't think so.
Where are they, Frank? One by the water tank still.
There's one behind it.
Oh, he's
Got him. Got him.
you got him.
Coming down.
The one behind the oil tank or water tank. You dead or alive, man? Come on out.
I'm alive. Still.
You are alive? Is anybody up there?
Nope, no one else up there. Watch out, I'm bumping into you. Left side.
Watch it.
Get down, get down. I'm pretty sure I hit the dude behind him too.
Hey, Taylor. How many lives? I hit you in the head, man. One behind the wood pile. One behind the wood pile.
Above your head, buddy.
He's over top of you.
Over your head. Stay low.
Got him.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Sorry about that, man.
I heard somebody say.
There's somebody behind this wood pile. Saw him move there. Keep an eye going right. Get down. Get down. Got him. Tell me I'm not earning my fucking pay.
Fucking like 7 already. Yeah.
They're going to learn sooner or later not to come over to the side. Go ahead and reload, man. I got you covered. That was a BB bouncing out of your mag. All right, guys, reload when you can. I'll keep an eye out. We got another guy coming in behind the wood pile.
Okay, Stad, moving back.
You want to borrow my pistol, Connor? All right.
Damn, bro. You're taking him out pretty good. I'm just gonna stay with you.
Got a guy behind the wood pile. He's going to be firing at me. Keep your head down. Stay. Go ahead.
How many's up top?
One. Just that. Get up there. Get up there. Don't even ask. Just get up there. Both of you.
This way, my arc punch.
Wood pile. Got him. That's 9. Yeah, I see him. I see him. Go sideways. Go side. Don't go over top.
Hit, hit.
Left. Tanker. Right of the tanker. 130.